Assalamu alaikum teachers. This is Sir Abid Kazmi and here I'm going to discuss how ChatGPT could be a game changer for you as a teacher. As you must have heard about ChatGPT is an AI module that helps you with content writing. Whatever you want to write, whether it's an assessment or a lesson plan or feedback to your students, you can use ChatGPT for. It will save your time and help you with great and very professional content that you can use in your classroom and with your conversation with parents and students. So let's see how ChatGPT could help you when you are a teacher. First of all, it is very easy to use ChatGPT. You can use it in your phone or in your laptop. Just open chat.openai.com/chat. So it will ask you for your email address so you can log in as Google, and then it will ask you contact number and it will send an OTD so that it can confirm the contact number once, and then it will start helping you like I have it is completely free. Now for example, I want to help ChatGPT to make me a lesson plan, so I will just give him prompt. For example, give me a lesson plan for grade 3 to discuss addition of three digit numbers. Just write and just let's see what it does. You can see that it has starting writing a lesson plan for me, and it is a unique lesson plan. You won't find this lesson plan in any of the other website. It is creating it on a real-time basis. Let's see, you can see that there's an object, the material required, procedures, direct instruction, and you can see the breakup and the body of the lesson plans all we require in our lesson plans. With time is also mentioned, instructions are mentioned, everything is mentioned. You can see the lesson plan is introduction, direct instruction, guided practice, independence practice, and closure, and then assessment and extensive activities as well. Wow, it's an excellent thing. And if you want to change anything, so you can see, you can write another prompt to make it more relevant. For example, if you say, okay, my student, oh, yeah, I need it to be more interesting, connect with students lives. Let's say what it does. So it will start writing another plan, try to incorporate what you want more in the plan so it will make it more relevant. Like you can see, like for example, now you can see there is a more interesting way. You can write, you can read the introduction in the previous plan. Here, begin by reviewing the concept with addition. Ask them what addition mean and provide example of two-digit addition. Now, when I prompt to relevant it to make it more interesting and relevant it to students' life. Now, new introduction is something like this. Start by asking if they have ever gone on shopping with their family or friends. Share a story or recent shopping experience your own. Like this, you can see whatever you want in your plan. You have to be very smart while you are using ChatGPT, so it could help you a lot. You can give them a better and better prompt, and it will give you more and more lesson plans. Like for example, now in the guided practice, it is giving me the demonstration of the process. Like now I'm giving you, I don't want to discuss a procedure, rather I want them to use place value blocks to make sense of addition. Now you can see that it is changing my plan according to my new instruction. Now it has added material place value blocks in material, right? So you can see, you can make a combination of multiple plans it is providing. You can take the introduction from one, then you can take the direct instruction from some other where else, and you can see you can make your own plan using all of these instructions, right? Okay, here you can see it is also guiding. In guided practice, it is asking you hand out worksheets. So you can also ask ChatGPT to, okay, create me a worksheet of that sort. So it will also give you a sample of that worksheet. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to create any of the content you require. For example, next I would like to give you an example how you can create an assessment from ChatGPT. Give me a test paper for third graders. Okay, I need to specify subject because it is a very generic prompt that I have given. So let me give another one. Give me a math test paper for third graders. Now you can see it is creating it does not ask me for any curriculum, and it start creating a generic lesson assessment for any of the third grader. So you can see it is incorporating addition, place value, even an odd numbers, product of single digit numbers, area and fractions, and for operations, patterns, shapes. So it is time, it is incorporating everything that normally we teach in our third grades. So if you want to add or remove any of the thing from it, so you can provide it. Okay, let's see. You can say we don't teach time in third grade. So it will automatically adjust and make give you another assessment that matches with your requirement more precisely, right? You can see it is creating me another lesson plan. It is a different module, if it is a different assessment paper without time questions, right? So here it is. Okay, so if you want to, okay, now this is I'm okay with the assessment paper. So now I need a marks distribution. So you can also ask the same with ChatGPT. Give me marks distribution. You can see it is giving marks to each and every question. So this is a very simple assessment paper. If you make it more project based, or if you want to make it more writing based, so you can also give instructions accordingly. Like you can say I don't want MCQs, give it some solution based question, and it will give you that also. And it will distribute marks accordingly as well, right? And if you can make a rubric, so you can just define the activity to ChatGPT, and it will let you know how you can create. Okay, similarly, if you want to make any rubric to assess your any activity or any presentation of your students, so you can just describe the scenario and topic to ChatGPT, and it will create a proper rubric to score for you. And when you see that rubric, if you want to make any change in it, you can just prompt again in ChatGPT, and it will assess and it will give you another rubric after making those changes. So being a teacher, it could be a wonderful and game-changing opportunity to, so that you can identify, you can on real-time basis can acquire what you require, right? So I hope this video will help you a lot. So I would appreciate if you share this video with your other teachers, so that every could be helped, and we can as a teachers community could help more students as well. So in the future I have a plan, so we can share student how they can use ChatGPT to identify their own mistakes. They can just provide their solution to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can just identify mistakes they are making, and they can also recommend some resources they can go through afterwards. And one more thing, just fan fact here, it does not require English to be written on ChatGPT. It also works in Urdu and Roman languages. You can write anytime. Like for example, let me give you one example. Okay, मुझे rubric भी चाहिए. Let's see what it does. Sure, it is answering me. It is creating me a rubric for scoring and criteria, scoring and everything, and whatever the rubric could be. It is listening me when I'm writing in Roman. And if you ask ChatGPT to write in Roman as well, so it will write it for you. So it's fun. So explore it more and share it with others what you explored. Please provide if anything that I missed in the video and you explored and find very interesting in ChatGPT in terms of teaching. So please do mention in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.